Hello, Tom. Good evening.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, good evening, Tom.
Yeah,
Okay, so how are you today?
I'm good teacher.
You're a good teacher. Okay, so you forgot you have class? You
What?
forgot? You forget you have class today.
Yeah.
Oh, where did you go? In where? Where did you go?
Uh, watch TV.
Ah, you watch TV. Okay. Your mom forgot also? Your mom is not there?
Hello.
Okay, just a moment. What is that for? What's that for? Okay, well, Tom. Okay, see Tom here?
Okay.
Okay, so here. Where is it, Tom? Okay, so we have here in Unit 17, what would you like to eat? Okay, so what would you like to eat, Tom?
A glass of wine.
Okay, so we are done with this, right? We are already starting Unit 17 and we
Nowadays,
are, okay, for a while, these are the topics that we discussed about the canteen
Can I
and
help?
mime. Okay, so now we are
What would
already
you?
in lesson
What would you?
3. Okay, we are in lesson 3. Are you done with this, right? We are in reading. Okay, so we have here. So we discussed this, we answered this already, Tom. We're done answering this. Okay, we and
butter.
okay, we're done with
May
this.
I?
So we are in
How many?
lesson 3, unit 17, lesson 3.
1,
Okay, we're done with this. I know you answered that one. Where is it, Tom? Okay, see here. Let us watch. Okay, for a while. Tom, let us watch here. We are already in lesson 3. Let us watch the video and list healthy food and unhealthy food. So you will have to list down, you will write, or you will think, you will remember. You have to remember what are the healthy food. You know healthy? Good food. Unhealthy, not good food. Okay. You have again, you will have to remember what are the healthy foods and what are the unhealthy foods. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry. Okay. Where is it? Teacher and forgot. Okay. Listen.
Do you like healthy food or do you like junk food?
junk food. I like chocolate bars, and I like apple pie. I like chips and cookies, and I like salty fries. But healthy food makes you strong. Healthy food makes you fast. Junk food, it makes you weak. Junk food makes you big and fat. I don't care about that. I'll have a pizza, please. And I'll take some soda and some extra cheese. But healthy food helps you grow. Healthy food is good for you. Junk food, it makes you soft. Junk food, it makes you slow. But I like fudge and churros. I like candy too. I like hot dogs. I like fast food. Eating all this junk food makes me feel alive. But as the time goes by, I feel like I could cry. Too much junk food in you, and now you can't even move. You know that it's good for you. Why did you avoid the healthy food? Why do you eat the junk food? I want fish and eggs. I want nuts and yogurt. I want fruit and veg. I want cheese and broccoli. I want rice and beans. I want ice water and salad that is green. And sometimes I'll eat junk food, but I won't forget. Only eat a little bit, get more healthy food.
Okay, so you watch in the video, there are
Big, small, short and long. This is the opposite song.
okay, so you watch in the video, Tom, there are healthy and there are unhealthy food. Okay, healthy foods, okay. Jillian. Please, Jillian, akong cellphone. Cellphone, please. Tara, ibuta, please. Oh. May cellphone, anak. Okay, dali. Dali, dali, mama. Shawal na kiss-kiss na mama. Sab ang mama, no? Lalapit. Kiss-kiss na. Ang ilok. May buti gusto sa mama. Okay. Okay. So you can see, Tom, there are healthy and there are unhealthy. You know what is healthy food? Healthy. Good
Yeah.
food. Okay. Healthy food are vegetables, fruits. They are healthy food. Okay. Vegetable and fruits are healthy food. Yes, they are healthy food. Yes. So another that one. So when we see unhealthy food, not healthy, unhealthy food are junk foods like fries, like popcorn, like junk foods, like chips. They are not healthy, right? They are not healthy. Do you understand me, Tommy? You understand,
Yeah.
teacher? Yeah. They
Yes.
are not healthy, teacher. They are only junk food that will make your body unhealthy. By the way, Tom, do you eat what's that? Do you eat vegetable? Do you eat vegetable?
Vegetable?
Yeah, vegetable. Do you eat?
I don't know vegetable.
Oh, you don't have vegetable? You don't like? You don't like? Vegetable is good for your health, like broccoli. You know broccoli? You know broccoli. Broccoli. You know broccoli?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
broccoli. Okay, broccoli is not good for your, broccoli is good for your health. It is very healthy. Oh, you like broccoli? Do you like broccoli? Yeah, of course, teacher. I like broccoli. Okay. So about carrot. Do you like carrot?
Yeah.
Okay, I like carrot, teacher, and I love carrot. Okay. How about banana? Do you like banana?
Yeah.
Oh, really? You like banana? And how about fish? Do you like to eat fish?
No.
Oh, you don't like to eat fish? How about mango? Do you like mango?
No.
Oh, no, teacher. I don't like mango, teacher. No, no mango. Okay, so here. Now, okay, here, Tommy. Okay, so let's move here. So the one I mentioned by teacher Ann, there are healthy and there are unhealthy food, not healthy. Okay, there are healthy and there are not healthy food, not good. Okay, so we are done with this. Okay, and lesson 3. So we all have some of the word, some of new word. Yogurt. You know what is yogurt? Do you like yogurt?
Yeah.
Yeah. How about fruit? Do you like fruit?
Yes.
Okay. How about melon? Do you like melon?
No. I don't like.
You don't like. Okay. Melon is a fruit.
Grapefruit.
Grapefruit. Do you like this?
I don't like.
I don't like, teacher.
Grape.
The grapes. Do you like the grapes?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's delicious. Grapes are delicious. It's like, teacher, I want to eat grapes.
Pineapple.
Pineapple. Do you like pineapple?
Yeah.
Wow, yes, teacher.
Pear.
How about pear? Do you like pear? Do you like
No,
pear? No, I don't like it.
Vegetable.
About vegetable. Do you like vegetable?
Yeah.
Yes, teacher, and I like vegetable.
Plum.
How about plum? Do you like plum?
I don't like. No.
I don't like, teacher.
Cucumber.
Cucumber. Do you like cucumber?
No.
Oh, the green one. You know what? That's Jillian's most favorite. The cucumber. That's Jillian's most favorite. Jillian likes it very much. Cucumber. Okay. Now here, so those are the vegetables and the fruits. The one teacher Ann mentioned are healthy foods. They are healthy foods. Okay. All of them, Tommy, they are healthy foods. Another here. Okay, now let us have this, the use of much and the use of, again, the use of much. We use much with noun, countable nouns, okay? We use much here. We use much with non-countable nouns. Nouns that cannot be counted. Those nouns that we cannot count. Nouns that we cannot count. So if we are going to use nouns, the nouns that cannot be counted, okay, those are countable nouns. Not countable nouns. Cannot be counted, teacher. Example, look at however, much is mostly used in negative sentences or questions. We use much only for question. Okay, example, Not much food is in the refrigerator. Okay. Not much food is in the refrigerator. Okay. You can use much food here. Look at teacher. Okay, for a while, I need to erase so that it is clear. Okay. You can use much food here. Much. You can use much food here. Refrigerator. You use much food. Teacher, you said much cannot be counted, but refrigerator can be counted. I can count the refrigerator. 1, 2, 3. You know refrigerator? You know fridge?
Mm.
The one you put your cold drinks. The one you put your cold drinks, cold water in the refrigerator. Do you know that? In the kitchen, it's in the kitchen. If you want to get a juice, you can get it in the refrigerator or the fridge. Do you know that?
Yeah.
Okay, so can you count the refrigerator or no?
Mm.
Can you count or no? Refrigerator. Can you count the refrigerator, Tom, or no? Of course, you can. You can count the refrigerator. You can count the refrigerator because how many refrigerator in your house, Tom? There are 1, there are 2, how many in your house? How many Oh, only 1, teacher. Okay, of course, we can count refrigerator. But teacher Ann, you told me much. This word much, this much, is only used for not countable, things that cannot be counted. But refrigerator, teacher Ann, is countable. I can count. Refrigerator can be counted. I can count. But why you use much? Because there is the word not. Okay. We can only use much if there is a word not, which is negative. Not, no is negative. Okay, well, Tom. Julian, unlan, Julian, unlan. I'm cold already. Okay, for a while. Okay, Tommy here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Teacher feel cold, very cold. Teacher feel cold. Yeah, very cold. Okay, here. So, we have here, Tom, again. So, you can count the refrigerator can be counted. But teacher Ann, why did we use much? Much is only this one. Much is only for this one. Much is only for the things that cannot be counted. Cannot be counted. But we use it in the ref because there is the word not. You can use, Tommy, the word much if there is not. Do you understand, teacher? Do you understand me? Tommy?
Yeah.
Okay, another. Look at this one. Look at this one, Tommy. How much sugar? Okay. How much sugar would you like in your coffee? The word here is sugar. Can you count the sugar? You know what is sugar? The one you put in the coffee? The very sweet one? Can you count the sugar? Of course, no. You cannot count the sugar because it's so small. It is powder. You cannot count the sugar. Okay. You cannot count the sugar because, sorry. Okay. Because it is powder. Very small. Okay. So, since, very small. Since you cannot count the sugar, you cannot count, so you will use much. Like, how much sugar would you like in your coffee? Oh, you can use much because sugar cannot be counted. How about salt? Do you know what is salt? That one, do you know that?
No.
It's a white. You will put it in the, it's in the kitchen. You will put that every time you want to have salty food. Salt. It's color white, right? So, can you count the salt? No, you cannot count the salt. Can you count the oil? Oil. The liquid oil. Can you count, Tommy? Can you count the oil? Oil. The oil. Can you count the oil? Yes or no? Can you count the oil? Okay. How about the water? Tom, can you count the water? Can you count the water? It's liquid. Can you count it? No, teacher. I cannot count the oil. I cannot count the water because it is liquid. It is okay. It is liquid. It cannot be counted because it is liquid. Oil, juice, what else? Milk are liquid. We cannot count. So, we can use it much. Okay, example here. How much sugar would you like in your coffee? We use this sugar. We use much because sugar cannot be counted. How much will it cost me? Okay, so can you see this one? The word much can also be used when we ask question. When we ask question, how much will it cost me? Okay, and I will give you example, Tom. Here. Okay, what up? Sorry. Okay. How much? Okay, can you see that one? Can you see, Tom? Can you read, please? Read.
Okay.
Yeah, Tommy, please, Tommy. How much? Tom, read, Tom. You read. You read.
How much is the new bike?
Very good, thank you. How much is the new bike? Okay, you will say, remember this one. You will use how much here, how much is the new bike because this is question. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Do you understand? Very good. Like this one, how much will it cost me? You use how much because it is a question, Tommy. Do you understand, Teacher Ann? Do you understand me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here, I will have to give example. Okay. Okay, like that. How much oil did you put in the pan? Okay, again, you use the word how much, Tom. Look at here. You use the word how much because this is question. You are asking question, Tom. Do you understand, teacher? You understand? Okay, another here. One more.
Đi học mới đi thì sao?
Okay. Can you read it, Tom? Read, please. How much? Read.
How much is the price of
Price. How much?
how much is the price of the jam?
Jam. Jam. Okay. How much is the price of the jam, teacher? Yeah, you use how much because, Tommy, look at teacher, look at me. Okay, you use jam because, okay, you use how much because jam is uncountable noun. You cannot count the jam. You cannot count the jam. Okay. And also because it is question, teacher. It is question. Can you see that one? How much is the price of the jam? Again, Tom, we use how much because it is question. And jam cannot be counted. You cannot count the jam. It's sticky. It's soft. Okay, here. How much oil did you put in the pan? Again, teacher, how much? Why? Of course, Tommy, there is question mark and this is question. How much oil did you put in the pan, Tommy? Okay, so these are all questions. Okay, do you understand, Tom? You understand, teacher? Okay, very good. Let's see this one. Teacher wants you to understand first before we can move to the next. Okay, it is very important. Okay, next. Okay, here. When can we use how many, teacher? How many? Of course. We use how many if that things can be counted. The one you can count. If you can count that one, that's how many. Okay. Here, how many use with plural count nouns to indicate a large number. However, many is mostly used in negative sentences or questions. Okay, here. Not many snacks are in the refrigerator. Not many snacks are there in the refrigerator. Look at this one. Okay. Okay. The same with much. Listen, Tom. The same with much. We can use the word many in asking question. If you ask question like this. How many students are there in the class? How many eggs do you want? Okay. You can also use many for questions. But, of course, the noun should be countable. It can be counted. Here, look at this one. Tommy, look at this one. Okay. How many students? So, can you count the word students? Can you count students? How many students? Can you count students? Can you count or no? Students, pupils, Can you count?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Of course, you can count. How many students in your class, Tom? How many students in your class? How many in your class? How many?
It's 15.
Oh, see, it's 15. So therefore, you can count the students. Since you can count the students, there are 15 students. We need to use how many? Okay? We need to use how many because we can count students. Do you understand, Tommy? You understand, teacher? Very good. Now, how many eggs do you want? Can you count the eggs, Tom? Can you count the eggs?
Yeah.
Okay. That is why, teacher, you use the word how many. Okay. Oh, do you understand now?
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Example, I will give another example here. Okay, it's okay, look at here. Oh, sorry. Okay, another. Okay. Look at this one, Tommy. Okay, first, look at this one. Number 1. Can you read number 1?
How many books did you borrow?
Okay. How many books did you borrow? Teacher is using the word how many because books can be counted. Can you count the books, Tom? Can you count the books?
Yeah.
Of course. Okay, books of teacher, it's there. Okay, here. You can see it's the book of teacher up there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there is the book of teacher. I can count the book. Another, number 2. Can you read number 2?
How many
Children, sorry. It's children.
children.
Yeah, sorry. Okay, that's children. How many children? Okay. How many children does Miss...
How many children
Does-
does Mr. Tan have?
Okay. How many children does Mr. Tan have? How many? So you use how many because you can count the children. Yes? Is it clear?
Right.
Okay. Because you can count the children. That is why, Tom, you use how many. Do you understand, teacher?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So, again, review, Tom. Much cannot be counted. Like much oil, much sauce, much water, much chocolates. Okay, much oil, much soy sauce. Those the things that I mentioned cannot be counted. That is why, Tommy, we have to use what is this? We have to use much. Okay. So if we can count how many dogs, how many cats, how many jar, how many bags. We can count the bags, the cat, the jars. If we can count the things, we will use how, or you will use many. Like how many. Do you understand, Tommy? You understand, teacher? Okay. Okay, very good. Very good. Very good. Yay.
Very good job.
Okay, very good, teacher. Okay, so we have here, Tommy, look at the chart. Okay, let us look at the chart here. How much? Look at how much in the chart. Okay. Look at the chart. We use how much in the chart. Can you see that? Look at the chart. How much
Oh.
in the chart? Okay.
Oh,
How much is only for uncountable nouns? Cannot be counted. You cannot count. Again, how much? You cannot count. Okay?
yeah.
Okay, Tom. Okay, for a while, Tom. Jillian, get me water, B, for a while. I'm thirsty, really thirsty. Okay. Here, next one. Okay. Look at this one. Okay. So next, again, how much, Tommy? You can use the word how much for uncountable noun. Tommy, uncountable noun. Again, ha? Again. How much? Uncountable noun. You cannot count, like oil. You cannot count the oil. Water. You cannot count. You cannot. Juice. Tommy. Tommy? Juice. You cannot count the juice.
Juice.
Juice. You cannot count. Cola. Soda. You cannot count. Okay.
Yeah.
How about the hair? Hair. You cannot count the hair. Okay, you cannot. If you cannot count, you will use how much. If you can count, what are the things that you can count? Can you give me example? Example, cell phone. Tommy, I can count the cell phone. I can count the pen. Pencil. I can count the notebook. Okay. Everything that I can count, you use how many. Do you understand, Teacher Anne? Do you understand me, Tommy? You understand?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Yay! So we talked here about how much, how many. Okay, this is a challenge. Can you give me sentence using how much? Example, how much oil did you put? Okay, give me sentence. You give me sentence using how much? Go. You give me sentence using how much? One more. One sentence only. How much money? How much oil did you put? Another. Again. How much? Tommy, how much?
How much?
Oh, the one you cannot count. You cannot count. How much? How much? How much milk in the fridge? How much milk in the fridge, in the refrigerator? How much milk? Milk, you cannot count the milk, Tommy. You cannot count the milk. Do you understand, teacher? Do you understand me? You understand? Yes.
Yeah.
Water. Can you count the water? Water. This water of teacher, can you count? No. You cannot count the water. You cannot count the water. Okay. So you will say, how much water did you drink, Teacher Anne? Did you understand me? How much money did you spend? How much oil did you buy? How much juice did you drink? You cannot count the juice. Okay, Tommy, you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, another how many? Of course, all the things that you can count. all the things that you can count. Like, how many books do you have, Tom? How many cell phone do you have, Tom? How many pencil do you have, Tom? How many notebook do you have, Tom? Everything that you can count is how many, Tommy? Everything that you can count is how many, Tommy? Okay. Okay, all the things, listen to teacher again, one more. All the things that you can count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can count, you will use how many. Do you understand me?
Yeah.
Okay, like I say, how many toys, Hot Wheels do you have, Tom? How many Hot Wheels do you have? Do you have Hot Wheels? Hot Wheels. How many toys do you have? Only one. Okay. Example, only one. Only one. Oh, how many? How many? Many toys. Many toys, Tommy. Okay. Toys can be counted. Toys. Your toys can be counted. You can count your toys. Like the, yeah, toys. You know what is toys? Your games, toys. Yeah, toys. How many toys? Your toys are many. Listen to teacher. Many toys. But, okay, listen to teacher. Many toys. Many. But you can count. Okay. Because toys, Tommy, toys are not liquid. Like the water. Like the oil. Like the juice. They are liquid. You cannot count them. They are liquid like the water. You cannot count the water. Only the cups. These cups, you can count this. You will say, how many cups do you have, teacher, in the house? I have 2 cups in the house. Okay, do you understand? Okay, 2 cups only. Okay. So, Tommy, teacher Ann don't have time. We don't have time anymore. Next time, next lesson, we will have a review with this. I will discuss this again short before we move to next lesson. Tommy boy, Tommy, again, teacher will tell this. Talk about this again. Okay? Next lesson. Okay? Okay? So you will understand. Teacher Ann want you to understand how much, how many. Okay, Tommy? Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're doing great job today. Thank you for today, Tom. Okay, we are in lesson 3. It's a very nice topic, Tommy. It's a very nice one. Okay? So I hope you learned something from teacher today. Okay? Okay? Okay, Tommy? Okay? Okay. Please don't be late next time. Okay? Don't be late. Okay? Don't watch TV. Okay? Oh, why are you laughing always? Why are you smiling? You're smiling? Oh, you're smiling? Okay. So for now, teacher will say, goodbye, Tommy boy. Bye-bye. Okay. See you. Good night. You sleep well. Bye-bye, teacher. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Tom. Good night, Tommy.
Goodbye.
Okay. See you next time. Bye-bye.